Shell in AutoCAD 3D. Go to the Home tab. Here it is Shell. Go to the Solid and here it is Shell. You can use any one. I select this tool. Shell, you can select any 3D objects and you can remove which face you want to remove. Select the face and you can remove the face. Other faces you can give the thickness. I selected this shell tool. Now I select 3D object. I selected the 3D object. Then it will ask you which face you need to remove. I just select this face, enter, and it will ask you enter the shell offset distance, means other all the sides how much offset you require. I just give 5 units, enter. Now you can see, you can just go to orbit, just you can see other all the sides you will get it 5 unit thickness and this top face removed. Now I am going to use shell tool again and select this object, and which face you need to remove, select the face and other faces. Now I removed the selected this face to remove and simply enter and enter the offset distance. I just give here 10, enter. Now you can see the top face removed and other face it is offset 10 units. Similar way we can make here also use shell. Go to the shell and select the 3D object and which face you can remove. You can remove multiple face also. I just select this face and I select this face also and I select this face also. Like that, how many face you want you can add like this, or you can add face. Just add face means you can add like this face. If you want to remove face, select this one, you can remove face like this. Now we removed these 3 faces, enter. What is the distance? I just give the distance here 5, enter. Now you can see the 3 faces removed and other faces it is offset 10 units. This is the way you can use shell in AutoCAD 3D.